is the word you want to say, because these are real numbers. You just cannot use any adjectives or supplementaries, or I don't think you can really capture the market mood by just pure sentences. You just want to let the screen do all the talking. So let the screen talk, guys. You want to be on a pause mode and let this graphic, capture all the magic. Okay, Adani related stocks, railways, ports, roads, defense, everything is just going gangbusters. It's a monster rally, and it's a party where everyone is invited. Really, early Diwali, early Christmas, touch wood. I think I'm feeling happy. Why? Because in this bull market, the average Indian retail investor has participated, and the market cap of India now is north of $5 trillion, and today it's going to move significantly higher. So it's like the Aam Aadmi, the common man, who's benefiting because of this wealth creation rally, Aisha.
And it's the breadth which really does all the talking today. You've got on the NSE alone only 63 stocks in the red, and I don't know which ones are those. I don't even want to look at those, because it's a solid 1,852 which are actually holding up in the green. It's picture perfect. There's no other way to really describe this market. Yes, it's a gap up move, but we're unable to hold that 3% gain mark, but that's okay. Look at individual names like L&T. That's up a good 5%. Shriram Finance, the latest entrant into the index, it's a 6% move. SBI holding up 5%. Of course, the Adani names are on a tizzy. BPCL, ONGC. Look at the private banks, the way they are actually moving. And I guess, the messaging is only one way. You are in the mother of all bull markets, the best it has ever been. You can't not participate. I think that's really the only takeaway for me.
So Aisha, today, it's going to be technical, it's going to be sentiment, it's going to be excitement, all the emotions would be at play. So short sellers would be forced to cover, run with tail between their legs. And that is what the FI positioning has been. So today, I think, would be a day when you would say that compulsions and excitement really would be at play. Then is the medium term. That's where the markets will start looking at earnings. That's where the market will start looking at announcements, 100-day agenda, budget, US elections. That's the time if markets actually could really stumble a bit as you extend the time frame from today's excitement and this week's price action to next 1 year. So there, I think a lot changes. Stability of the government is something which has always benefited the market. And while you may argue back and say that post 2019, post 2014 and 19, post the election verdict, even though markets lack the election verdict, the market gains were not very absolute in nature, but the medium-term wealth creation cycle has been great. So for me, this clearly means that the medium-term wealth creation cycle which India has embarked on in terms of stock market creating wealth for ordinary Indians, I think that cycle in a sense will only get more and more pronounced. So for me, I think that is a mega trend, if I may use the word mega trend, borrowed term, but something which is at play. So today, I think you just don't want to move away from the screen. Is there a red? Is there something which is down?
Who cares? Yeah, there are